Welcome to Vandergriff Hyundai. We are absolutely unbeatable.
This is a 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche. It has the power to move what you need and the look too. Complementing this Chevrolet's contemporary styling is a stunning array of desirable features which include power windows, air conditioning with automatic climate control, a CD player, rear audio controls, a rear parking aid, front multi-stage airbags, and this automobile has rear-wheel drive. The durable engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission, produces crisp acceleration. This vehicle has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this truck in person.
Vandergriff Hyundai is located at 1500A, Interstate 20 West, Arlington, Texas. Our main objective is to make sure your experience at our dealership is a satisfying one, whether it's for sales, service, or parts.